When dealing with lengthy emails, extracting this information not only helps users understand the content faster but also significantly improves work efficiency and accuracy. There is no built-in feature that can deal with the extraction, except Tools for Outlook, which leverages advanced AI technology allows users to extract key information with just one click. After installing Tools for Outlook, open Outlook, click on the email you want to extract key information. Click Tools AI, click AI to enable the AI pane. Go to the Extract tab and click the Generate button. You can see all key information is extracted and listed in the pane. If the content is not stratified, click the Regenerate button to allow the AI to extract new key information for you. If the content is satisfied, click the Copy button to copy the extracted content and paste it to anywhere you want. Users can customize the types of information to extract. Click the Kill Library Management button. Locate the Extract skill and click the Add Options button to enter your custom requests and save them. 70 features in Tools for Outlook are free for a lifetime. Go to download now.